empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
Mirrored projection, some sort of mirrored manifestation of projection, or some sort of imagination of some degree. Disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they are also removed from these phonological.
Stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented.
Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme
Conscious emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, in and of itself.
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been falling.
Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation.